Vitim yam tam baraka shivam yam tam Vishnu Bhagwan Papa MahaMaya Omtec RaSiva Maya Di Bhagwan. Welcome to this video on the Zen Word channel. My name is Sri Satguru Buddha Rawa Bhagwan. Today's video on the Zen Word channel, we will talk about some of the great secrets and mysteries of the Amazon forest. So there is a tale in the Amazon forest that all types of beings have an animal that represents them in the story of the animals of the life of the Amazon forest. So this is one of the great secrets of the forest, one of the great secrets of the Amazon, that all that exists can be found within the life of the Amazon. In this way, the Amazon is a cradle of life. So in this way, there is an animal in the Amazon that represents, for example, a human. But there are many different types of animals of life in the Amazon. As the shaman knows the forest, knows the life of the land, knows the spirits of the land, so too does the shaman know the sounds of the animals. So, for example, the shaman knows many bird sounds. And a bird is a specific type of animal that flies. It is an animal that has freedom of flight. And as such, the bird is often seen as a connection to the sky, as a connection to divinity. Sorry, a little sneeze there. So it is known that there are some animals in the Amazon that are very rare and that are only seen sometimes or heard sometimes. This is also the case for gods. As when a god takes place in the story, there is an animal in the Amazon that is associated to the story of that god. So there are some very rare birds, for example, in the Amazon. Birds that are not heard often. And one of these birds is the bird that makes the sound Siva. And its mate, the bird that says the sound of the goddess. So in the same way, the great God has his bird in the Amazon. And so does his mate, the goddess. So there are stories of the birds that represent the gods in the Amazon. Very rare birds, such as, for example, the bird that makes the sound Siva, and its mate, which appear in the forest and are heard when the god takes an avatar. So in this way, the different animals of the Amazon are the cradle of the story, where the animal version of the gods take birth, and where men also find their animal. These are some of the great secrets of the forest, of the Amazon, that all life has its place in the Amazon. So we must remember to protect the Amazon and its life, its nature. Because if we destroy the Amazon, we destroy ourselves. Protect the Amazon and its stories. Shavidihim yam tam katashahim dem kalam Vidim yam tam